Gold is one of the most malleable and expensive metals. Everyone seems to love the look of it, but just a small piece of fine gold can actually cost you a fortune. Have you ever wondered where fine gold comes from and how it is produced? Here we are at Guixi Smelter of Jiangxi Copper Corporation in East China's Jiangxi province to find out how the 99.99% pure gold is refined from slime.
那么刘老师，你确定我们闪闪发光的黄金就是由这个泥巴一样的东西生产出来的吗？
是的。那么现在我们看到的就是从电解车间过来的铜阳金泥，对吧？它的含量大概是在0.2%，也就是说1吨这个泥巴里面，只有2000克，2000克的金。那么在我们车间，我们要先经过脱杂、化学提炼，脱除铜、砷、锡、锑，还有很多杂质金属，最后才能产出我们98%的金粉。
现在呢，我们就来到了金子的电解精炼区。那么刘书记帮我们介绍一下这里的工序吧。
好，拿到这个金粉之后，我们再把它浇铸成金阳基板。这个原料，我们经过这个经电解精炼工序，把它变成99.99%的产品。现在我手上拿到的就是这个电晶，它的纯度就可以达到99.99%。我们在电解精炼产出的99.99%的那个金之后，我们要把它先造成粒子，然后经过我们这个1公斤黄金全自动生产线，那么我们就把这个金粒子变成我们目前的主打产品。
The gold bullions produced by Guixi Smelter are sent to a local laboratory for assessment. The lab has the authorization from the China National Accreditation Service for Conformity Assessment to issue certificates of purity for gold. To ensure the safety of gold production, anyone who wants to get into the production zone needs to go through a security check. Guixi Smelter is one of the largest copper smelters and production bases of associated gold in China. Last year, it produced 32.7 tons of gold. In 2021, gold production at the smelter is expected to reach 50 tons.